This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WSB-TV. We will continue to serve the Atlanta area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Atlanta area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use.
Good evening. I am here to formally announce that I am in a secure bunker at a location that I will not be given out. The President has been taken to a similar bunker and is taking command of what is left of the American government. As you know, a nuclear attack is or is about to happen. Approximately 27 missiles and more after the stated message has been launched from several parts of the world aimed at everyone, including the United States. The following cities will be hit by a nuclear missile within the following 10 to 20 minutes. New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, Atlanta, Boston, and Miami. The following cities will be hit within the following 25 to 30 minutes. San Francisco, Las Vegas, Indianapolis, Houston, Dallas, and Birmingham. We have no idea what the time frame will be for the rest of the cities. As for the rest of the missiles, have no apparent direction. We will not be able to send out another update. Several primary entry point systems may be taken out during this attack. These systems help us send out important messages through the emergency alert system during this time of need. If by chance that the majority of the primary entry point systems do not get destroyed or damaged, then you will be able to receive our messages. But until then, there will not be any messages sent for the next couple of days. Please stay tuned to your emergency radio, NOAA weather radio, cable, or antenna tuned to any kind of station that will receive this broadcast. And pray. Thank you, and good luck. Is this mic on? Okay. Good evening. I represent the United States of America, or what's left of it. If you are receiving this broadcast, this is your update. Most of our cities have been destroyed. If you are lucky to have not been attacked, and will most likely not be attacked. Very soon we will be changing the emergency alert system to the Wartime Broadcasting System to relay updates as smoothly as possible. The Wartime Broadcasting System will not only send updates to the United States and its people, but all across the world. If you are receiving this broadcast, we will be giving out information to what is going on throughout the world, including the United States. Please stand by as we switch to the Wartime Broadcasting System. Thank you. Good evening. This broadcast will be repeated every 20 minutes until an update is given after 2 hours has passed after noon. This is the current update at noon. Following the nuclear strikes, the following countries are currently at war with each other: Russia, Ukraine, Germany, Switzerland, Romania, and Italy. The following countries or areas have been entirely destroyed by the nuclear strike. These areas are listed. These areas that have been listed have been reported to have no sign of life. No radio signals or communication has come from these locations: the United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, Croatia, Mexico, Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, Israel, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and Alaska, United States. Again, there has been no report of radio signals or any form of communication from these areas. There has also been no report of an invasion by any country towards the United States. If one occurs, do not worry. Most military countries will not bother with survivors of a nuclear blast, unless this country is either taken over or destroyed completely. I will now list the current wait time. The current wait time is the time until it is safe to come out of your bunker or fallout shelter and to move in an orderly manner south to the South American countries. Due to the amount of strikes, there is likely to be a longer wait time for some areas. For the northeast coast, for the surviving cities, the current wait time is 6 months. For the Midwest, the current wait time is 4 months. For the southeast coast, the current wait time is 5 months. For the central states between the Mississippi River and the West Texas border, the current wait time is 4 months. For the mountain region between the West Texas border and the West Rocky Mountains, the current wait time is 3 months. For California, the current wait time is 13 months. For the Northwest states, the current wait time is 12 months. After the corresponding months has passed, there is still a high likely chance that radiation will still be in the area. So if you live in a high population city, there's almost no chance of you coming out of there alive. For those that don't live anywhere near a major city or a major population area, after your wait time is over, again, you will be able to proceed going south to the South American countries to seek refuge wherever you can. If you cannot live off of your current survival pack, for the amount of time that I've listed for your area, there will be supply drops for the majority of the United States. You must have a battery-powered radio to keep in contact with the military and able to receive 1 month's supply of rations. Again, this message will repeat every 20 minutes, and I will be back in 2 hours. Thank you for your cooperation, and God bless America.